Hey, it's Ed here over at Antique Toys. We've got some items coming up for auction on LittleMarz, LittleMarz, and these will be on eBay. Items coming up for auction on LittleMarz, LittleMarz, and these will be on eBay. And I would comment that these are up and coming collectibles that are off the radar of people that think only in terms of 30s, 40s, 50s toys. These are Franklin Mint, Danbury Mint, Ertl, tractors, John Deere, case, items that will come into their own probably within the next 20 years. And if you buy them now, they're probably pretty cheap. Obviously, this International is more 50s, 60s.
Ed,
and it's coming.
they're already on eBay.
That's my point. They're already on eBay right now.
Right now. 2 days left in bidding.
2 days left in bidding. We got a Marklin. Got Master Deluxe tin toy, produced in the 80s. Whedon. Arcade. More modern die-cast. This is a toy I don't know too well. What's the maker, Bruce?
Danbury Mint.
But what kind of car?
Cord.
Oh, that's a cord. That's awesome.
Yep.
That's a nice looking cord.
1/16 scale.
Okay.
So bigger than 1/18.
Yeah, so that's
1929 cord L29 special coupe
pretty awesome.
with a grandparent seat.
Yeah, the mother-in-law seat. What do we got here?
That's a rumbly oil pole.
I
Steam
have
engine.
no idea where this came from. Who made it?
It was made exclusively for, I think, a show in 1990.
Okay. Well, that's why it's off my radar. It's a show exclusive. And this, do you recall the maker on the
That is
Mr.
Franklin
Green?
Mint also.
Yeah, this is killer. Look at that detailing. Look at those rubber tires. Later on, I'll figure out if this is a 1-point, 2-point, or 3-point hitch. Look at those gauges. All right, choose from Ed and Bruce. And we have upcoming auctions on Live Auctioneers under MARZ to check out. Take care. Have a great day.